So let's start with counting Declare's points. Here's our auction. South opens 1 no trump. That's the hidden hand. We're going to be third chair. West passes. North bids 3 no trump, and it goes all pass. And partner leads out the queen of spades. And the dummy comes up in view. So first thing you want to do is add the dummy's high card points to your high card points, right? So let's do that. And dummy has 4, 7, 11, 12. 12 high card points. And third hand, that's us. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 high card points. Okay, so if we add that together, 12 and 7 is 19. And South opened 1 no trump. So let's assume it's a 15 to 17 point no trump. So let's give them an average of 16. And let's add that to what we've already done. So we have 19 between dummy and our hand, third hand, and we're adding 16. So that's 35. All right, well, that leaves, if there's 40 high card points in the deck, and we subtract 35, that leaves partner, that's West here, with approximately 5 high card points. And partner's let out the queen of spades. Now, what does the queen of spades promises? The queen of spades promises the jack at minimum, right? So the queen jack of spades equals 3 of those 5 points. Now, I say approximately 5 points because Declare could have only 15, in which case partner has 6, or Declare could have 17 high card points, in which case partner has only 4. So 5 is the average, and we know 3 of those points, which means there's only approximately 2 high card points left in West's hand that we don't know about. All right, so what does that mean? As third hand, don't expect much more to come out of partner's hand. Maybe they have a jack, maybe they have a queen. If Declare has 15, then they could have a king, but there's no way West has an ace, right? This is just the thought process. Now, to shortcut that, we use our number rule of 14 when they're in game. So let's just do this way. East has definitely 7 high card points, and the rule of 14 would say to subtract 7 from 14, and partner has approximately 7. But then we have to look at dummy, count up dummy's high card points and say, oh, dummy has 12 and Declare has approximately 16, so that's 28. So we need to modify the rule of 14 and bring it down to 12. And then we get back to partner having approximately 5. Right? This is the theory behind our number rules that we've talked about in other defensive classes. And occasionally you have to modify it based on what the dummy shows you when it comes face up. What I want you to do is every time your third hand and the dummy comes down, or your first hand and the dummy comes down, I want you to do this analysis. Even though we don't quite know what to do with it yet, make it part of your defensive game to know the approximate number of points your partner has.